Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your iRobot Roomba Vac Essential. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's open up the iRobot app and get this thing set up. First up, when you open up the app, this is the screen you're going to be at once you sign in or create your account. So in our case, we have multiple Roombas already set up. We actually have the combo version of this all ready to go in the mobile app. So let's get the regular iRobot Roomba Vac Essential set up. First things first, top right hand corner, select add your product. It's going to search for nearby products. It may find this on its own. If it doesn't, don't worry, we can manually select it. So if yours doesn't show up here, you have the option to select the product manually right here from a list of Roombas. But in our case, since it showed up, let's go ahead, we'll add it that way. There's also a QR code option, but we don't have a QR code on the vacuum. But there is one on the quick start card, so you might be able to set it up that way too. So anyways, here it is. iRobot Roomba Vac Essential Robot needs setup. Select setup. Now we need to connect to our local 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so keep that in mind. Make sure you're on that type of network. Then select yes, continue, where you need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Password's been entered. Now it's working on connecting to the Roomba where we need to press the clean button. So we just press that. Now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi, verifying the password. Then it's going to establish the cloud connection. You'll find that you'll get a chime and a voice prompt here in a second once everything's successfully set up. And then it's going to take the app another 30 seconds or so, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less to catch up to the Roomba.
Your robot is fully set up and ready to go. Press clean to get to work.
So there we go. Everything's set up. Now we just have to wait for the app. All right, everything was successfully connected. We're going to be on this screen where we can select continue. Now we can name our Roomba. So we'll do Roomba Vac. We'll put an E there for essential. Select continue. Setup's complete. Now it's going to load our experience. We have a couple of slides to go through to learn more about everything. All right, so we have 5 slides to go through. We can select next, 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 but really helpful to learn more about your new Roomba. And now we're going to be taken into our device settings right there. So there we go. It's that simple and straightforward to set everything up. Now it's time for us to start cleaning.